Hi everyone, this is the start of a new build series. This one's going to be a scratch build, and I introduced a little bit of it on Track Tuesday on making a basic two-story house. I like to call them a company house because in my area here in the Appalachians, the coal mines built tons of these houses, and they were company houses. They were for the workers to live in, and as long as they worked in the mine. So I'm going to be building this house, and to refresh your memory here, let me take you to the board here. If we go back to On Track Tuesday, you remember me putting together this little mock-up. It ain't perfect, the mock-up ain't, but I will have to be for my build, okay? This stuff isn't cheap, the styrene. I'm going to be using for the sides clapboard evergreen number 4041. It's 0.040 thick, you can see. So, and I don't know if you can see the clap on here, but I've already drew out the basic cutout. Alright. I'm going to be cutting them out with and I already cut the roof out. I have the roof pieces are made out of regular styrene. I'm going to use this clapboard when the roof is probably covered up with some kind of shingles or tar paper. So as you can see what I'm doing. All right. I'll be back when I get these cut out. Alright? Now, if you're watching me cut them out, that'd be kind of boring, I think. Alright, I'm back. See, I got them all cut out. It wasn't bad cutting out. You just have to be making sure that you got your lines in the clapboard. Let me see if I can get a close up here so you can see. Go in the right direction. It wouldn't be hard to get it mixed up, I'll tell you. But yeah. And the roof material I just made, like I said, out of basic styrene. So next step will be now to figure out where I want to put my windows and my doors. I also want to raise the door up from the ground level a little bit to allow for a porch, and maybe we'll have to look. Maybe I'll just do it like a foundation under it. I haven't quite figured out how to do that yet, but I'll get at it. So when I figure it out, I'll let you know. How's that? Fair enough. Alright, see you in a bit when I figure something out. Alright. See, I got the back cut out. I put the door over on the side. That window, that bottom window looks kind of crooked. Matter of fact, they all do kind of. but I trimmed them small so that I could make them bigger. I did order a nibbler off of Vinny's Amazon site. Went to Jose's video, went into the description, found his Amazon page, and went and ordered one of them nibblers. So I ought to have one of them coming, and I'm not going to have all this headache that I got right now of cutting these out. That's probably the hardest part right there, is cutting out the windows and the doors. I can't imagine doing it in end scale. Just can't. Period. Just can't. So there you go. All right. So now I'm kicking around. All right. And for the sides, that's roof. These sides here. All right. For the sides, I've actually a couple of the. Whoop, I'm sorry. If I do a couple of these houses, they'll be side by side. I ain't putting any windows on the side because who wants to look at the next house? I sure don't, you know. So I'm not sure. I'm not sure how I'm going to do yet. So what I'm going to probably do next is take and primer these along with the roof pieces. The insides I think I'm going to paint black, and I might do that with a brush. Then again, I might not. I might just take it out and primer it and do both sides, and then I'll bring it. I'm going to primer it with a spray can primer because I don't have any airbrush primer. All right, but I'm going to use spray can primer, and then I'm going to. I haven't made up my mind what color I'm going to paint it. These things were mostly all the time white. Period. They were almost every time painted white, and the workers were too poor to paint them any kind of color. Now, my era is going to take place in the 50s, and by then the company barons have long gone. World War II took care of them. It's my story and I'm sticking to it. So I'm going to end it here, and I'll show you when I come back. We'll do the painting and preparing. Hopefully by then my nibbler will be back and I can straighten up these windows and doors a little bit. And so I'm going to end this as the end of part 1, and part 2 will start off with the painting and going from there and start preparing to put it together. Alrighty. Plus I have some more things come in the mail, so I gotta wait for a few things coming in the mail. So this would end part 1 of the company house build. Alright, scratch build. And I will tell you, I'm having a blast doing this. So if you guys haven't done any scratch building yet, you need to get started. So I'm telling you, just jump in and do it. You'll think you can't do it, but you can. And if it don't turn out right, so what? It's yours. Who's going to say anything? If they say anything, tell them to quit. Go look at another layout then. Yeah, I laugh. Alrighty. So, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on part 2. See you then. Bye now. God bless.